So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a ceviche, but it's not going to be the ordinary ceviche that everybody makes. It's something a little different, and I've been so obsessed with the ceviche for a really long time, and I want to show you guys how to make it. So the ingredients that you will need is, first off, 2 pounds of raw deveined shrimp. You're going to need one of the secret main ingredients, mango, purple onion, cilantro, cucumbers, limon, jugo Maggie's, onion powder, garlic powder, chipotle, black pepper, and sal de grano. It's super easy, super simple, and if you guys want to know how to make it, then just keep on watching.
Okay, first things first, we're gonna start with the shrimp. I like to cut the shrimp into very small pieces. I don't really like thick pieces in my ceviche, I don't. But it's all up to you guys how you want to cut your shrimp. Then we're gonna start cutting the shrimp into 5 times as fast as possible so you could get through the shrimp ASAP. Now that the shrimp is all chopped up into very small pieces, that is when we're gonna go in with the lemon. I squeezed about 17 lemons. And now we're gonna pour it all in. I'm actually gonna use the whole bowl. I don't know why I just put a little bit, but I'm using the whole 16 lemons squeezed. Then that's when we're gonna put in some garlic powder, some onion powder, and some pepper. Then we're gonna put in the garlic, not the garlic, the kosher salt. Mix, mix, mix. Then we're gonna let the shrimp sit with the lemon for about an hour so it could cook. Then we're gonna get a purple onion. We're gonna chop that shit up. I like to chop mine into very thin slices. Chop that shit up, girl. Then we're gonna get 2 cucumbers. Chop that shit up too. Then los mangos. Corta esos mangos en bien chiquitos trocitos. Y luego vamos a agarrar otra vez el shrimp que ya estaba marinado en el limón y le vamos a poner the purple onion. Then we're going to mix, mix, mix. And we're going to set that aside for another hour so it could cook with the onion. So it could give that oniony lemon shrimp flavor. Aquí tenemos una licuadora y le vamos a poner 12 chiles de árbol dorados, 3 chipotle peppers, 2 ajos, un poquito del jugo del shrimp para que, it could blend well. Y un poquito de cilantro. Then that's when we're going to add in the chile. We're going to pour it into the shrimp. Then we're gonna add the mangoes, then the cucumbers, then we're gonna mix, mix, mix it all good. Then for the last ingredient, we're gonna add some jugo Maggi sauce. It's so good. It makes the ceviche taste so much better. And there you guys have it. Our ceviche, our mango chipotle ceviche. Y lo vamos a acompañar con unos tostitos salsa verde. I recommend those tostitos. It makes the ceviche taste way better, trust me. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks.